Welcome to Pallet2Ship's video on how to shrink wrap your pallet. Ensuring you have a solid wooden pallet base is the first step in packing your goods. Give the pallet a quick check, making sure there are no missing corner blocks and none of the support slats are broken. Rather than stacking all of the boxes in the middle of the pallet, we have placed some boxes to the side to create a more even load and to ensure the shrink wrap can secure the goods inside the pallet base. Tying a length of shrink wrap to a corner block is often the easiest way to start shrink wrapping. Once your shrink wrap is securely attached, pull it tight and start to cover the pallet, ensuring you catch the bottom of the pallet for at least the first 2 rotations. Work your way up the pallet slowly, keeping the shrink wrap tight at all times and making sure not to leave any gaps between the layers of shrink wrap. To help protect your goods from the elements, pull strips of shrink wrap over the length or width of the top of your pallet. Once the top is protected, give your pallet one last pass over to ensure the shrink wrap covering the top will not move and to ensure your pallet is as secure as possible for the rigours of onward transport.